I thought that last one was gonna be straight vomit, I'm not gonna lie to you.
It literally smells like salad.
Just like, what?
It smells like salad.
I know, I keep burp. Every time I burp, it's like a different food I've eaten today.
There are definitely spare tires in your garage.
Here we go.
Well, you can't, they cut it. Ah! Yes, because I said to Katie, you're so fine. And then she goes, you just be randomly thinking about what I look like, that's so terrifying.
Damn.
And that was your response?
It's so mind.